Alright, before changing the sky reflection on the windows, better first change the sky its own. Okay, allow me to find the sky. Yes, this is my sky. If you remember, we could change the sky automatically or do manually. This is not bad cloudy sky actually. I could change itself easily if I open. For example, we have curve here. I could increase the light. And also for midtones to get more brighten value. Also, I could increase the contrast. Okay, image, adjustment, brightness and contrast. Increase contrast. Alright, this is not bad. And we could increase overall brightness here. Maybe something like that. Okay. I think the reflection on glasses don't need to change. We could remove it or tweak it, but it is not so visible, so don't worry. If you need to change, just simply select the reflection, and we could also use brightness and contrast again from image adjustment and contrast to get more adapted. Also brightness. Oops, my system getting too slow. Before and after, it's acceptable. Okay, so the mist is too strong for now. I find this mist layer and decrease the values. For opacity, for example, here, if you see we have too strong, I could decrease opacity from half, maybe 20%. Okay, before, after. Or still because we have moist, 30. Alright. And for this tree here also, I could increase the opacity and change the color and light if we need. For example, double click on the curve, bring light in a bit more again. Also for green, oops, green, bring it back. Okay. And for hue saturation, we could make it more saturated. We could shift the value if it is too greenish. Also, I think the contrast, no, it is fine. Background, we could change it. I think it is too bluey. So I press Ctrl or Command U to bring hue saturation dialog box. We could decrease the saturation. Also shift the hue values to get more adapted. Yes, it is totally better. I think grasses are oversaturated. So allow me to find the grasses. And for hue saturation here, I want to decrease saturation a bit. Yes, it is more matching with our scene. I don't know why my system getting too slow. And also grasses left. Double click on the adjust icon and decrease the value. Alright.